Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm in this gorgeous home that we have just finished renovating, and we used Intrim timber mouldings throughout the home for our skirting boards, decorative door treatments and ceiling battens to create this style and feel that we absolutely love. We had these ceiling battens custom made specifically for this project to add that visual interest that you might traditionally get from ceiling rafters. These battens are usually used on walls, but we think they look fabulous on the ceiling. So in this house, we've used a skirting profile called the Shadowline SK800. And what I love about it is the shadow line, which means it's flush with the wall. So you have to install this skirting board before the gyprock to achieve that flush finish, but it still offers the protection from bumps and knocks, just like any other skirting board. The Intrim Shadowline exclusive system ensures a neat machine-finished shadow line for a stylish contemporary finish, unlike other systems where plastering can make an uneven finish to the shadow line. The two-piece system allows the installation of the hard floor and the skirting placed over it for a neat finish. And what better way to add interest to your doors than with decorative door treatments, like the half-round HR40 profile we've used here on the wardrobe doors and on the bedroom doors, and even on the study desk legs. And these mouldings come in a variety of sizes, so you can actually choose different sizes to create your own custom pattern. And the great thing is, you could do this in your home too. If you need help choosing the product and material for your timber mouldings, book a design consult with the Intrim team or visit their website to find out more.